The Texas Chainsaw Massacre in 60 seconds or less. A grave robber decorates the local cemetery with corpses. Fun. Then, a van full of teens, including one guy who's both annoying and in a wheelchair, decides that this is the perfect time for a road trip through rural Texas. They pick up a hitchhiker who's like, "Hi, I love blood, fire, and knives," and immediately cuts one of them because Texas. They kick him out, find a creepy house, and of course, split up to have sex because it's a horror movie. Then, bam! Leatherface shows up like the world's worst Home Depot employee and bonks the guy with a hammer. His girlfriend gets hung on a meat hook like she's the special of the day. Everyone else dies horribly, except for the girl who gets invited to dinner with the world's ugliest family. Grandpa tries to kill her, but can't even hold the hammer. So, she dives through a window, sprints into traffic, and escapes in the back of a pickup truck while Leatherface rage dances with his chainsaw. Moral of the story, don't pick up hitchhikers or go to Texas. The end.
Subscribe, motherfucker.